High quality assessment is more than just a technical requirement or a grade in a book. It is fundamental instrumental tool that ensure our teaching is effective and our student learning is accurately reflected. This chapter outlines how we can move beyond traditional psychometric standards to create classroom assessment that are practical, fair, and deeply integrated with our learning target to promote student motivation and achievement. The pillar of high quality assessment. To ensure an assessment provides a clear signal of student knowledge rather than noise caused by error. Teachers should focus on three core pillars. Validity. This refers to appropriateness of the inference and use made from assessment scores. It is not just about the test itself, but whether the interpretation of the result is reasonable for the intended purpose. Reliability or precision. This concerns the consistencies of the result. High, high reliabilities mean that the scores are stable and that the noise or measurement error, such as confusing instruction or eternal distraction, has been minimized. The third one, fairness. A fairness assessment gives all students equal opportunity to demonstrate what they have learned. This requires transparency about learning targets, an absence of bias in question, and appropriate accommodation for students with special needs or English language learners. Matching method to learning target. One of the most critical steps in quality assessment is selecting the method that best fits the specific learning goal. The document provides a scorecard for matching target with method, knowledge, and simple understanding. Best measure by selected response, multiple choice matching, or brief constructed response short answer formats. Reasoning and deep understanding. Best assessment through essays and performance. Assessment that requires students to compare, evaluate, or solve complex problems. Skill and products. Best measure by performance tasks where students must demonstrate a skill like speech or create product like a portfolio or project. Affect and disposition. Best captured through teachers' observation or students' report and survey. Alignment and positive consequences. Alignment high quality assessment requires strong agreement between the standard, the curriculum that actual instruction provided, and the assessment itself. Impact on students. Assessment should have positive consequences such as increasing student motivation and helping students understand their own progress. When students know exactly what they will be tested on and how they will be scored, they are more likely to be intrinsically motivated to master the material. Practically and efficiency. Finally, the document acknowledges the reality of the classroom. Teachers must balance the technical quality of assessment with practical constraints such as familiarity, familiarity with assessment method, time required for both administration and scoring is interpretation and cost.